Hi everyone, I'm Johnny Hui, holistic wellness coach, life coach, and metaphysician. In the last video, we have introduced what are the 7 chakras. Today, we're going to deep dive into the Muladhara Chakra. Yeah. So everything in life begins with a foundation. Just like a tree needs strong roots to grow tall, you too need a solid base to stand strong in this world. That base is your Muladhara Chakra, your root chakra. It is the energy of safety, stability, and survival. When chakra is balanced, you feel secure, grounded, and confident. You trust life, you trust yourself. So when the root chakra become imbalanced, what will happen? When the Muladhara energy is out of balance, fear starts to take control. You might feel anxious, restless, or insecure. Secondly, you might easily feel triggered by uncertainty, disconnected from your body, and always in survival mode, worrying about money, stability, or the future. Sometimes it even shows up physically through fatigue, leg or lower back pain, or issues with digestion. These are signs your roots need nurturing, that you've been living too much in your mind and not enough in your body. So, how to activate and balance the Muladhara Chakra? The key to healing the root chakra is to reconnect with Earth, to remember that you are supported always. Here are ways to restore balance. Number 1, grounding practices. You can walk barefoot on the grass, feel the soil beneath your feet. Do grounding yoga pose like mountain pose, warrior pose, squat pose. This helps bring your awareness back to your body and the present moment. Second is sound vibration. The seed mantra for the Muladhara Chakra is Lam. The seed sound or bija mantra for the Muladhara Chakra, Lam, you can chant it slowly, feeling the vibration at the base of your spine. Something like this. Take a deep breath. Lam. You can actually chant it after the pranayama or before your meditation practice. Repeat it 7 times or multiplication of 7, 7, 14, 21. Yeah? The sound stabilizes and energizes your foundation. And you can also use some other external objects like healing crystal. Use grounding stone like red Jasper for courage and vitality, black Tourmaline for protection and stability, Hematite for grounding and balancing energy. Hold them while meditating or place them near to you or your feet during rest. Yeah. You can also use essential oil. Diffuse or apply diluted oil that can carry grounding frequencies. For example, Patchouli, it reconnects you to the earth. Cedarwood strengthens your inner security. Vetiver calms the mind and release anxiety. This sense remind you of your subconscious that you are safe and supported. And you can also nourish your body with root chakra foods. Eat foods that grow in or near the earth. They carry grounding energy. Root vegetables like carrot, potato, beets, onions, and garlic. So red colored foods like strawberry, apples, and tomatoes, and proteins such as beans, lentils, eggs to anchor your energy. Nourish your body. It is the temple that holds your spirit. So I'm going to walk through a simple guided meditation to activate your or open up your root chakra. So you start off with erected spine. You may not have to sit on the lotus position on the floor. But the prerequisite is you have to sit on the erected spine. Yeah, take several deep breaths. Yeah, breathe in, out, in, out, and in, out. Release the tension in between your eyebrows. Release the muscle on your face. Release all the tension at your shoulder, your hands, and your legs. Now try to do a scan, a bodily scan from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Notice if there's any sensation of tense. Relax them. Yeah, relax, relax, relax. With each inhale, draw in strength and stability of the earth. With each exhale, release all fear, worry, and tension. And you can visualize a red light in the base of your spine. Yeah. And while doing this, you can actually chant it out loud, or you can actually just chant silently in your mind. Like inside your mind, there is this sound lam, and then you can see the red light, the base of the spine. Yeah. About 7 times. Then inside your head, you can say this to yourself: I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported by life. And let that red light grow brighter, expanding through your body, anchoring you in peace, strength, and trust. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes. Whenever you are ready, you can open up your eyes and immerse in the energy. Immerse in the energy of the Muladhara Chakra, feeling grounded, safe, and secure. So when your roots are strong, you don't chase, you attract. You don't fear the storm, you become the calm within it. Because you know who you are and where you stand. So today, take one step to reconnect with your foundation. Walk barefoot, breathe deeply, eat mindfully, and remember, you are not just surviving, you are growing. The deeper your roots, the higher your spirit can rise. May you all enjoy this journey of activating or grounding your Muladhara Chakra. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share this grounded energy to whomever that may need it. Thank you. Take care. May you all be well and happy. Bye-bye.